Hey everyone, so I thought I'd videotape this. It might help somebody on YouTube, may not. Anyway, I'm extending camper jacks because my truck is too wide. It was for a Tacoma. It's an import truck camper, and I don't think I'm going to be able to back my truck under it. The truck is about 300 kilometers, 150 miles away from me. So I took some measurements when I was there and bought the camper, and now I'm going to try and make some brackets so that I can back my truck up, and the jacks will be separated more so I can get my truck in. The only thing I could find online was like $600-700 for these plates, and I'm like, I'm not paying that. They were swing out, of course, but I don't really need that. So I went and bought some, this is 1/4 inch steel by 4 inch. I wanted 5 inch, couldn't get it. So I went 4 inch, but I put the holes close to the edge. And I did one, I used a cardboard for template off the camper, and then I just punched the holes, so hopefully everything matches up. I'm pretty sure this one and this one will match up. It's just the middle one that's probably going to be iffy, but we'll see how it goes. So anyway, I thought I'd just show me drilling it out and how to make these if somebody wants to make a pair. You know, extended brackets, whatever you call them for truck camper. So I've already done this side, and then I just marked them so they go right across, and then I put this here, marked it, and then I'm using my drill press, little drill press here to drill them out. So I'll show you the how they work, and yeah, hopefully they work on the camper. If they do, then I'll just paint them black, and hopefully this will work. The best way I found this is just to use a clamp, get it centered on the hole, and then just clamp it down. And then I hold the drill bit like that, and then I just clamp this with my other hand. Easier said than done. I'm probably going the wrong way here. Everything works better when the camera's not on. There we go. That way I'm holding it in center of the thing, center of the hole, and then I'm clamping it down. I don't have any oil, so I'm just using tool oil. It's probably not the right stuff, but hey, it's working. So let's turn this on, and then I got my air gun here to blow it away too. Blow away the shavings. So I just started a little bit, put a little oil on it. I'm using a step bit too to start it, and then I'm going to go in with, I think, a 3/8 drill bit. Might be a little bit bigger than the 3/8. Give yourself a little bit of slack. This is 1/4 inch, so it's not going to break it. Cool down the bit. Close the hole. Put a little more oil in there. And away we go. It's working pretty good. So that's it there. Yeah, it's working pretty good. So yeah, if you have to use 4 inch like I am, hopefully this is going to work. I try to put it as close to the edge as I can. I wish I would have had a 5 inch, but we'll see how this works. Hopefully I measured correctly. I should have 1.5 inches to spare on each side of the truck, which is not a lot, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll loosen this up again. Spin this around. burn yourself either. And then I just get that in the center of the hole as best I can. And then I just hold it there while I clamp this. That seems to work the best. I tried clamping a guide on here and all that. That just took too much time. So this is working better. And if I'm off a little bit, I'm just going to make the hole a little bigger. It should work. Because I think the bolts are less than 3/8 anyway. And when you use oil, it sure helps. Cooling off the bit. More, and then this plate is done. Yeah, it works best with this clamp. I'm just holding it with a bit until you get it in there. Go. That plate's done. I'm probably going to go through there with my 3/8. Well, it actually fits, so I might go a little bit bigger than that just to clean up the hole. Yeah, this is a little tight here. Just to clean it up, because the step bit doesn't get all the way through. It leaves a bit of a ring. See the ring on the bottom? Otherwise, you're going to have a bigger oblong here and smaller here. So it's good to get it started and get your size, but then finish up with a actual drill bit, which I'm going to do. So there, I got one more to go. I'm not going to bore you with that. Okay, so I got my pickup here, and this is before. So I'm just taking these off, moving them over, putting the slots in. I've already done this one over here, and it worked out well. So that extended versus that one. So hopefully it'll be enough. I can back it into my truck. So we will see. I got to take that one off and do all 4 of them, and then we'll see how she goes. Hopefully it fits over the sides of the truck. Yeah, look at the height difference between that. That's a Toyota Tacoma, and there's my truck, Toyota Tundra. So it's way taller, and the box is smaller on this versus this guy. But yeah, definitely bigger size on the Tundra versus the Tacoma, just for reference. So this is an interesting way to get it out. We had to rent a U-Haul trailer, put it on the U-Haul trailer, put a couple 2x6s under it to get it out of the garage. So hopefully it works. And then we got to go exchange it somewhere. Put the truck on the camper, or put the camper on the truck, and then take that U-Haul trailer back. This is from the other side, because the garage door was too low and the Tundras are too high. So there we go. See if she works. Well, she's working. Towed on the little U-Haul trailer until we can find a spot to transfer it. Well, that worked well. We got the camper up, off, in a parking lot, and now we're just going to back under it and hopefully it fits. Progress. It's coming. Just got to clear those rails there, and then we'll have to put some 2x4s underneath because the bed is too deep for this import. See, otherwise they're not gonna clear right there and right there, so I'm just gonna have to put some under, but I'm gonna get it under where it's in safety first and then worry about the 2x4s underneath. So there's the U-Haul, got it over there. Got her almost loaded. I just gotta pull ahead and put my chains on each inside. I'm gonna try and chain it to the inside of the box on this guy. But see the gap we have at the bottom for the rails? Now I can go down on the rails, but that's going to be at least probably 3 inches from here to here before it lands on the bed of the truck. Right in a Shoppers parking lot in Kelowna. And there we go. U-Haul's all done. Hey everyone, Dale here from LittleRVrentals.com in Kamloops, BC. We've got a 2007 Toyota pickup Tundra, and we just picked up a truck camper, and it's a pop-up. So if anybody's interested, you can pick up in Kamloops, BC, and go on a little vacation. You can go camping, wedding events, festivals. Give us a shout. It's a 3-seater up front, and that pops up, gives you lots of room. Lots of air room, and you got a 2-burner stove, little fridge, and you're ready to go. So you can hop in that and enjoy the weekend. So give us a holler. If you need a cargo trailer, we rent those as well. This is a 6x10 cargo trailer with a ramp door. There's our logo, LittleRVrentals.com, and rent me. So yeah guys, check us out, LittleRVrentals.com. Check us out on the website, and you can email us through the website if you want some dates for the cargo trailer. It's got a ramp door and a side door. Lots of room inside. Tie downs. Great to move a Harley. We also have a wheel chock for Harley or motorcycle as well. So that comes in handy. So yeah, guys, give us a shout if you're interested in any of these. Ciao for now.